welcome back to our channel. And I clipped her card. Okay, anyways. anyways, so this is kind of funny watching her. But to y'all guys' request, we decided to do a house tour, and unfortunately most of the house isn't really decorated much. I am working on it, just saving up the money for it. And doing intro. But we are doing, so we're doing a house tour, and part of it isn't decorated. It's because I like to rent out the rooms to my friends, mainly for free, except for my little sister, who I enjoy just getting money from. But I have like a really cool, not super cool, it's kind of modern looking pet grinder, and a VIP area, and a lounge, and whatever. I'm really excited to show y'all guys. So anyways, let's get this show on the road. Waiting for it to load. Okay, so I put pay please because sometimes I'll get like a random like $2. I mean it's nice, right? So I really like this brick. It looks very modern. I'm really into the modern thing. All right, let's go down and go into here. I put disco balls in there, you know, just because. There's a DJ area, and you can. Oopsie, $2 literally. These chairs, they came with the house, but so I put disco balls in there. So have you ever seen like how sometimes like in pools or like by the ocean or something, it'll be like some kind of stand, and like you can sit there and you can get like food and drinks and stuff. I need to like rotate the chairs because I did this a while ago, but I kind of wanted to imitate that. I wish they had better, well, more food options, because right now donuts and pizza is basically all we have. But I mean, if I'm at least gonna do pizza, at least put all the toppings, right? So I still need to go through this. I kind of like this. It's very oceany kind of wallpaper. But yeah, that's about it for down here. The pool is massive, I know. So we go up into one. This is my little sister's room. She still has yet to decorate it. I was showing her what the size of the room looked like with the flooring in it, like that. She doesn't actually want the yellow floor. There's like a little room in here, which I think is kind of cute. You can just kind of do whatever with it. Sorry about my screen getting darker. I don't know what the heck is happening with that. This one is just open front. I really like this floor for some reason. It looks, again, very modern. I do not know why, but the yellow in here, I guess because I just feel like it sometimes. And, oh yeah, on each floor there's an outdoor balcony that you can literally walk onto. So this is one of my friend's rooms. This is not Kriss's room, but I mean, I think she did a pretty good job decorating. And this one, I'm not quite sure which in it, but I kind of like the wallpaper. It's fun. And it matches the floor for sure. And she obviously has not done anything to this one. I mean, like, kind of wish that they made it to where you could sit on toilets. That would be something different. So yeah, that's about it for this one. That's it for Kriss. Alright, so this is Kriss's room. She's super excited to show it off. This is so pink, I think. I think that's really cute. The floor goes really well with it. And you can like I like with the TVs that you can turn it like on and off and it's different colors. Green, yellow, white, bluish, white, blue. Purple room that has all this. I really like the double bed. I don't know why. Oh, it must be nighttime because the mirror's all black. I'm not sure how it would be if we had if we like if the mirrors, if they actually reflected, you know, that would be interesting. But anyways, yeah, so she's got pizza, this over here, although she needs to put a chair. You need to I'm not gonna type that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something else in here later that I have not shown you all guys yet. Alright, so this is my room. It's for the most part off limits. I stole the TV from here for the lounge because I didn't feel like paying like $300-400 for it. I also took the donut stuff from here, and there was like a water bottle, and I had a pizza oven right here too, but then I stole it again. So there's this room. I don't know if it's too much purple. I don't know. But I really like this bed for some reason. But I still need to figure out how you even like put stuff in that. There's a crib, food, you know. I should probably bring that for my grinder. I don't know, but I think we have enough. So in here, I really like this room. It's very modern and simple. Just she took my bed. Ready for this? My bed. Alright, next up, the bathroom. I just decided to put, like, way more things I needed. Oh, it's cool. It's daytime now. I don't know what she said. Don't ask. She probably said, like, my Betty or something. I don't know. I really like this mirror because it has that cross in it. That X. I think it looks really cool. But anyways, we're going to go through here. This is kind of just like a fun little baby room. Like, bling, 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 bling. And then it's like not a bouncy ball pit, a ball pit. There's like, only babies can use it. And so you can like spoon feed your baby if this was real life. There's like a box of teddy bears. Although I don't understand why you would need that many. There's here just like a nice little couch, a fireplace, and oh look, there's another button. Boom. Head grinder. Nope, not that. Okay. So there's 4 different showers. A bird bath, you know, just because why not? Why not? 5 different pet beds. Then there's golden apples. I put a cash register there just because. Pianos for whenever you get bored. Although I want to figure out how to add more, but I don't know really how to stack them, and I don't know how well stacking would be. There's a little eating corner, and you go up here. There, it's VIP. So we have a dance room. I'm gonna like pay myself $10 because I know you can't, but anyways, you can have a little dance party. I don't even like that dance. I don't know why. There we go. I like this one. I have a hard time memorizing the dances. No idea why. But yeah, there's also pizza over there. It's quite nice. These lights are like blinding. That's why I have them off half the time. Alright, but anyways. Why am I still dancing? I should not be dancing still. There we go. I have a place to purchase pets. No idea why, because I never really sell any of my pets. I mean, I guess you can. I have a nice little dining room to get a donut because why not? I kind of like this, where you can just like gaze out into the nothingness. Why? Why do I need more chairs? I mean, there's 4 chairs. I mean, nobody sits on them. Oh, because I told her earlier that she gets a chair. Because you had... Okay, anyways, into here. What did she say? Oh, okay. When you can do your makeup and go, just, I don't know, put it on. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but glam room. I mean, it looks kind of cool from far away. I don't know how I feel about the wood thing, but you can tan, even though there's like, you cannot tan for the life of you in this game. Little clothing rack. I mean, not super stylish, but I mean, you know, whatever. If you go up, we have one more place, the lounge. Also, ignore that butterfly wallpaper. I'm not quite sure about that. Anyways, welcome to the lounge. Basically, there's a lot of food. You have to pay for most of the food, because I feel like it. Mainly to get away. Mainly to get money from my little sister, because, you know, why not? Apparently you can turn off fireplaces. I didn't even know that until recently. Turn off. Turn off, you little ding-a-dong. Okay. There's some chairs. I wish I could match that gray better, but, you know, whatever. I made this area very futuristic and this very... Oh, she's standing on top of the doors. Anyways, so yeah, there's like fish tanks, food. You can... Alright, I'm gonna do strawberry icing. Did I actually put strawberry icing on it? I don't know. Anyways. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you something else. We are going back to your... I didn't put any icing on it. Okay. Anyways, let's see, where's the chair? What? Oh, at first I thought she had gotten it first. So we're gonna go into Kriss's room. I'm gonna show you something. Where is it? Right there. Don't you hate when you accidentally press enter and you don't mean to? So yeah, so she kind of gets like her own little entry because she helped me build all of this. I'm really thankful for it. I also really need to turn out those disco balls. And I can also show y'all guys one of the balconies. I don't know, because there's really much else to show. I say a lot, don't I? Oh well. Where'd she go? I'm not sure. Is she on the game? She's on the game. Oh well. But if we go out to over triangle, just like that, it's like, have you ever done like a border or something? I don't know, and then you do like a different colored border on top of it. I don't know, that's what it kind of looks like. But anyways, so this is a balcony. It's pretty cool looking at, although I wish you could sit in the chairs, but you know, whatever. It's weird because not all the balconies are the same. Like you can tell, like over there on Kriss's stuff. And God, at this point, it's gonna like end a big chase. Alright guys, so final pet review, I got a new pet. I probably like way overpaid for it. But oh no, she didn't! Oh no, she didn't! I don't know, I find it kind of really fun. I didn't know that the Arctic reindeer flew without the wings. What the heck is that? Oh yeah, it's one of those futuristic unicycles. No! We can't do that. Alright, so I probably overpaid a lot for it. I don't know. I feel like I did. I feel like I overpaid a lot. I don't know. Comment down below. Is it a win? Is it fair? Or is it a lose? Kriss thinks that it's a massive lose. I'm like, it's not that bad. Probably. I don't know. I think that was a massive lose. But I don't know. What do y'all guys think? Comment down below. Yeah, also look at the super big win that I got for it. Oh. Look at that. That's like, I think that's a win. I think that's a win. Pretty sure that's a win. Does it look like a win to y'all? I don't know. This one, what's that? Cracked egg. That's a cracked egg. Egg is the blank space. That's a win. Oh yeah. I forgot to tell you guys. So, I had managed to get into my old account. And because I had emailed the Roblox support thing, I managed to get the password that I had forgotten so many years ago. I found a bunch of like eggs. I had a unicorn card too, but I traded it. I found a few strollers that are like way out of the game, like this popsicle stroller, fry stroller. If you want to offer for it, you can put your offer down below. A bunch of plushes again. If you want to offer, you can. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Hi guys. Oh, I guess she left, but she says bye guys. Bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you'll stick around.